rapper called my phone and told me that he needed a verse. Threw him in the chapel, he told his niggas that he see me, that he gon' put me on his shirt. They hate my reaction cause I am a savage. I go to the well, let the squeeze of the church, Ooh, ooh, like Young and May. I flood the strip with 100 plates. Horsepower screaming underlay. My amigo here move a ton a day.
Yo, what up, y'all? It's new bike day. Thought I'd just come in here and show y'all my old bikes. This is one y'all been seeing. That's another one with those plastics on it, 07 plastics on it. It's a 95. Yeah, I did a video on this one. It won't be up by the time I put this up, but because it's not done yet. But I'm about to get a new bike. That's my homie's bike. This is my 100. I'm about to get a new bike. I know it look like I don't got space, but I'm gonna be selling. This is my current personal. I'm gonna be selling this one and swapping it with the other one. This bike is those plastics right there, which y'all normally see me on. But I'm about to go to the bank, get the money, and I'll be right back with y'all. Loading up. Just got the money. Shout out to Chase, sponsor me. Got my dog with me. Yeah, we gotta go about 2 hours away. Put about 70 in there. Gotta go about 2.5 hours away, South Kentucky. 2.5 hours. Look at him running. But yeah, I'm gonna get with y'all when I get there. I might record, I don't know yet. I don't really be liking to, I'll ask him if it's cool if I record, but I don't really be liking to put people's houses and garages and stuff like that on camera, you know. But be there in about 2-3 hours. It's 8 in the morning right now. Freezing. It's probably 20 degrees outside. We'll see. Ooh, 26 and windy. It is terrible right now. But I'll get back with y'all when I'm done. Not bad. $60. Let's get it.
I had a dream of my favorite rapper called my phone and told me that he needed a verse. Threw him in the told me he needed it. I had a dream of my favorite rapper called my phone and told me that he needed a verse. Threw him in the chapel, he told his niggas that he see me, that he gon' put me on the try to put me on the like I had a dream of my favorite rapper called my phone and told me that he needed a verse. Threw him in the chapel, he told his niggas that he see me, that he gon' put me on his shirt. They hate my reaction cause I am a savage. I go to the well, let the squeeze of the church, Ooh, ooh, like Young and May. I flood the strip with 100 plates. Horsepower screaming underlay. My amigo here move a ton a day.
Yeah, this her right here. It's it. It's a little dirty, super dusty right now. This thing is super dusty. Get it to the crib. Show y'all more when we get back to the house. Can unload it. Definitely need to wash it though. Alright, so this is the bike. It's super dirty. This is a literal barn find. Oh my goodness. Let me call you right back, dude.
Alright.
Alright, so this is the bike. I'm gonna just take y'all through. Let me adjust this light a little bit. I'm gonna just take y'all through what my plans is for the bike. Just real quick. Okay, so, and walk y'all over the bike. As I'm saying, what I plan to fix or whatever. So, any screw, any bolt, like these, that's missing or not OEM, I'll replace that OEM. Not sure if I want to make this, if I want to tint this. That bike right there has it. I don't know if you can see that. That bike right there has it. I don't know, you know, how that even happened or whatever, but I might do that to this. I'll get a steel bar with subframe reinforcers. Everything powder coated. I want to powder coat everything black. I'll put a YFZ 450 throttle like that one on there. Powder coated black. I want to powder coat the levers, the brackets, both of these, everything. Everything on here I want it black. I want to take off the T5s. I want to put DMCs on there. I want to powder coat the carbs, carb tops, crossover tube. I'll probably leave this alone because I don't even know how to work that. I never dealt with suspension. It's got OEM tires, OEM rims, both stamped. I'll swap this case with the case on my other bike. Side casing. I really want to powder coat the top case and the bottom case, but the bike runs fine. I really don't want to go into the motor if the bike already runs fine. I want to put, either I'm gonna get new rims or I'm gonna powder coat these rims and then put the street tires back on. But either way, I'm taking these off. OEM Dunlops, if you know, you know, they're trash. They're for riding on the street at least. I don't know about dirt. I don't ride dirt. Whatever. OEM Dunlops in the street, trash. They're squishy. They're weird. They're just like a super soft compound. I don't know. I don't like them. I don't know what y'all think. Y'all let me know. These need powder coated. I'll try to revive these. I haven't looked at the foot page. The bike is fucking crazy dirty. You can literally play tic-tac-toe if you wanted to. Look at that. You literally play tic-tac-toe and shit if you wanted to. But it's got a seat, or this is the seat. I can clean that one up, or I got a same all black one. I'll probably throw my same seat cover. I'll throw this seat cover on, or I don't know if I feel like wasting money or whatever. I'll go get another thrill seeker with black ribs, just to black it all the way out. But yeah, I gotta polish these lights. I'll keep the same bar on there. I'll probably replace it with these bumpers off of that one, because that one's brand new, 0 hours ride time. Yeah, that's basically it, honestly. This thing will clean up super nice. I'll give you guys a quick little run around. Oh, I'm powder coat this also, and I want to powder coat this axle too, but I'll put braided brake lines on it. I don't know, I don't really feel a difference, but they say it's a difference. I'll put that aftermarket brake rotor on there. Change the fluids, change the sparks, put V-forces on there. Gotta have V-forces if you want your shit to crack. Change the pads. Those are thin. They're probably good, but those are thin. I got new pads, you know, that's nothing. That's just part of freshening up the bike. Like I said, I'll take these off and freshen them up, powder coat them, whatever. DMCs, I think I already said that. I'll leave this little shit on. This thing is kind of cool. The OEM one is cool. That one right there, it's cool, but sometimes when you take off your cap, it just fucking, it comes out the little hole and it goes everywhere or whatever. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this bike. Yeah, but this is for those of you that don't know, this is a limited edition Yamaha Banshee 350, or for shorter terms, LE, a 2004 LE Yamaha Banshee, or 04 LE Banshee. Yeah, that's basically it. Basically, the theme of this, everything black. When I get my DMCs, I'll powder coat them. The rear already comes black, so I'll just powder coat the fronts. But basically, I'm powder coating everything. All this shit is getting powder coated. And that's my plan. I'll take y'all along with me. It ain't gonna be like immediate, cause you know how shit be. Ain't buying every part. Ain't rich now. Ain't buying every part. You know, one big shebang. Unless you know Rocky Mountain or something like that want to sponsor me. So y'all let me know. Rocky Mountain Motorsport, Revzilla, any of y'all wanna, you feel me? Just go ahead and tap in. So we're gonna leave it like that. I'm gonna start to do some more shit like this. You know, I pick up a couple bikes, as you can see. I pick up bikes, you know, once a month or twice a month or whatever. Buy them, sell them, fix them, whatever. So I'll try to take out with me a little bit more, get better at this shit. You know, showing y'all this shit outside of bikes, or outside of wheeling. But yeah, that's really it for real. Yeah, y'all let me know how y'all feel about this. Yeah, see ya.